What's up, Zooz gang? Zooz crew, Zoozers, YouTubers. It's windy today, cold. I gotta run a quick errand. I gotta do a return, an Amazon return. Gotta drop this shit off at the UPS store. Tried to get a big 32 terabyte solid state hard drive to back up all the video files I'm generating from making this content, and the one that I got just crapped out, was not working right. So gotta return it, find something new and better. God damn this wind, holy shit, I can feel it slowing the bike down. Annoying. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear me. So yeah, I basically got to take Grand Street to Christie, go down, get on Hester, go across over to Center Street, and then up a little bit. And that's where the UPS store is. And I'm hitting every fucking light. Chinatown's gonna be a shit show as usual, but I gotta go through it. Oh, what's this guy doing? This is where it usually gets a little bit hectic, crossing over Bowery on Hester. Oh, not too bad. There's not a lot of traffic. Usually this street is fucking jammed wall to wall. Almost there. Ah, lights all wrong. Gotta lock this bad boy up, even if it's just for a minute. Got a new folding lock, fits in my pocket, pretty cool. Of course, there's got to be jackhammers over there for the audio. Get the return out of my pocket. This piece of shit. My phone. Oh, you know what? I forgot to turn the bike off. Fucking rookie move. Thank you. Always somebody liking the bike. Guy taking photos.
Yeah. For whatever reason, the one that they gave you.
Have a great one.
Thanks, you too. God damn. Fucking took forever. Alright, so that's done. Took way longer than I thought. There's a line of idiots. There's always a line of idiots. God damn. Fucking annoying. Yeah. Sun's already starting to set. Not even 3 o'clock yet. It's like it gets dark so early. Yeah, these lights are not timed well. Now I'm doing a lot of splitting. Look at this shit. Motherfucker. The versatility of the Zooz. Just jump on the sidewalk. Love it. Traffic is fucking nightmarish. Everyone's going to the bridge right now. Dangerous, man. Those bike lanes are dangerous. Always better to be in traffic. Now we're moving. Yeah, so that's it. I'm almost home. You know the deal. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.